So I know my way around a Thai menu in the US pretty well, but earlier I went out with Sit and Vortat. These are business associates of mine, and got some video footage of us trying a bunch of new food. And then we walked down, we were in a place called the Emporium. We walked down and they showed me this place to buy a whole bunch of snacks, and they bought me a ton of little goodies. And so got some video footage, here it is. Okay, Som Tom salad here, and what do you call this again? It's a famous dish? Okay, very good. It's going to be very hot, this version. Yes. It looks just good. Delicious. This stuff is some of my favorite here. Okay. So good. So good. Here's some authentic pad thai right there. I'm just gonna take that little shrimp right there. Look at that, delicious. Okay, and what do we have here?
This is like roti.
Okay.
Roti and beef.
Okay.
Beef green curry.
Oh, like green curry. Okay.
This kind
That'll
of
be
combination
absolutely
of
delicious. Okay. Very good. Too much food. Too much food to eat. Okay, this stuff right here is called foie tong, and it looks just like cheddar cheese, and it is absolutely delicious. It's a sweet, sugary taste, and I've found it, and I'm going to order a few of these things here. I mean, you could put that on somebody's plate, and it would be just a complete practical joke, because it just looks 100% like cheddar cheese. But they don't really have cheese here in Thailand, do they, Sid?
No,
not so much.
Not so much.
It's not so much a food that Thai people eat, but that's okay. It's okay when you got foie tong looking like that. Okay. Here's some Vortat here, my partner here in Thailand, surprising me.
How to call this one?
How do I call it?
Foie tong.
Foie tong. So
That's
this is the cheese again. Look at that. I mean, but not really cheese, but look at these Thai desserts here. All of these, and I've tried a lot of these over the years.
Hopefully buy some from your kids.
Yeah.
Next time we are in Seoul.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay, these are. You say like a pancake, Sid?
Almost like, but it's a lot sweeter.
Sweeter, with coconut milk in it, and I've tried something similar to this, but probably not exactly. So we will give that a whirl, and we're gonna give that a try. Delicious. Very coconutty, but sweet. Delicious. Yeah, I could have that. I'm sure it's low in carbohydrates and very healthy.
Very, very healthy.